Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to insert a hyperlink in a Google Sheet, or if you already got one, you can go ahead and learn how to edit that. It's something that can be very useful and easy to do and can be great for inserting these external links that are going to make your spreadsheets a little bit easier to manage and be able to access data easily through the links. So I went ahead and put some sample data here. Let's say we're looking at some different hotels, and we want to include that link to take us where we want to go. We've got these links in here. I pasted in here for these websites, but they're really long, kind of ugly. Something you could do is you can come up here. If we select our cell, we're going to wrap the text. But as you can see, this is a very, very long web link or URL, and so it's kind of ugly. We don't want to go that route. So what we're going to want to do is we just want to make sure we have the data. So we're going to just copy it, go insert, link. And so this is the link that we want. So we're just going to drop the website in here. And so it's going to show down here, and we can hit apply. So now it's going to give us the link to the website, but it's still really long. So that's not exactly what we want. So what we can do, go back to insert and go to edit link. And this top part is going to be what our description is. So we'll do Hotel A link. We'll hit apply. See, now it's going to give us a succinct link that has the URL of the web page or the web page that we want to go to. So all we do is go and we click on that link that pops up, and it's going to take us to that web page where we want to go. So again, let's say we have this one is already one that we pasted in here. It's a little bit longer, or not as long, but we can go ahead, hit edit link. This is the description section, and then this is the section below it is the actual URL where it's going to go. So we can do Hotel B link, hit apply. It's going to have that same URL pop up. Let's say we want to remove it though. You can, as you select that cell with that hyperlink, you can come down, click on it. You can copy the link, edit the link if you wanted to edit it. So you can click on that and change where you want the web page to go. Maybe let's say, hey, we just want to go to Marriott.com for whatever reason. You can go ahead and do that, hit apply, and now it's only going to take you to that website, and we'll kind of preview where that website is. Or let's say we want to get rid of a hyperlink or remove the link. You can come over here and click remove link, and then the link is gone. So no longer can we click on it, and we won't need to worry about, maybe inadvertently clicking on it and taking us somewhere else. So again, very simple to do, and something that's kind of nice with Google Sheets, if it senses that there might be a link in there, it'll generate for you, and all you have to do is click on it. You can go edit, and it's going to just take you right to that edit link, which could be a little bit easier. So we'll just do Hotel C link and hit apply, and then there we go. Kind of the same thing, just a different way to approach it. Not always will it sense that there is a link in there or a website in there. So that's when, again, we showed you kind of the first way to go about it in the beginning, but you would have to go and do the insert link. Have to paste your link. If you're coming from scratch, these are kind of the steps you have to take. It can be easier if they sense the website's in there and you can just go that route, kind of like we did in Hotel C. So hopefully, again, this was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns. So like what we did just there is we dumped it in, and now we can go ahead and edit it, and it's going to give us the option to rename the link to Hotel A link. So we'll go ahead and do that, hit apply, and off we go. So again, I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns about inserting a hyperlink into a Google Sheet. And remember to like and subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks, and have a great day.